We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson LiveWire in orange fuse. Now this bike was so much fun to ride. The acceleration is unlike anything else I've ever ridden. It just immediately wants to go. And it's really light, really nimble, and it can stop on a dime. It has these dual disc brakes with ABS as well, and we're working with Brembo calipers, so they stop immediately. These nice big turn signals in the front so everybody can see where you're going. One giant massive battery that provides, I don't know the exact number, but an absolute ton of torque. Just, it's amazing. We have rider and passenger pegs. This nice hugger around the rear tire prevents a lot of stuff getting kicked up onto your back, and an adjustable Showa rear shock. We are also belt driven, so pretty much no maintenance on this thing. No oil changes, no cleaning and looping a chain. Super easy to take care of, super easy to ride. And of course, this extremely comfortable Corbin seat. I really enjoyed that as well. For charging, the charging port is under the tank bag that the previous owner graciously left. You just press this and it pops open. And to take the tank bag off, it's really easy. Clip, clip, and it flips forward. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come ride this thing. It will absolutely surprise you.